Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're learning how to make fried rice. First thing, let's toast our rice. In a pot, you add your oil or butter, add your onion. I use dry onion here. You can also use fresh ginger. Then I added my rice. You stir it till it's golden brown. As I said, this method builds up the flavor in your rice, whether fried rice, jollof rice, coconut rice, any rice at all. Just try this and come back and tell me. I added my chicken stock. I don't know why people sieve their chicken stock. Seriously, why? Just why? If you do that, what's your reason? Let's know in the comment section. I added water. You see, my daughter she's always trying to help in the kitchen. Two of us were fighting for the spatula. So okay, you stir it, add your ingredients, added turmeric, curry, mix natural spices. It comprises of bay leaf, rosemary, thyme, ginger, garlic, turmeric, and all that. So you just stir it so everything will just come together. After stirring it, make sure you cover it and it will be on low to medium heat. Okay, now it's time to fry our veggies. We proceed to frying our veggies. I added oil to the pan, onions, my fresh pepper. You stir it so everything is okay. You stir for like, let's say 30 seconds. Add your ingredients: ginger, garlic, turmeric, my mixed spice. I don't use all them packet spices, so as you can see here, I added my carrots, bell peppers, green, yellow, and red bell peppers. Just see that pop of color. You stir generously. At this point, everything was almost as good as done. Then I added my kidney beans, sweet corn. I still stirred it to combine, let everything marry each other. I added my seasoning cube, curry, salt, and I proceeded to adding my chicken stock to the veggies. This is the secret to that yummiest fried rice. Okay, you don't just allow it to steam for a minute. Let the veggies not get overcooked. Then I proceed to adding it to my rice. My rice was on the lowest heat at this point, so I add and stir. So you don't want to mix. This is the point that it should get very rotten, or rather stir generously. So everywhere to enter the nook and crannies of your pot. Everywhere, everything will marry. See that juiciness. See the lushness of this. Okay, this is what you should do. I didn't add any protein to mine because my husband really doesn't like beef, and sausages are not good. So at this point, my rice was as good as done. So we served with plantain. Everybody loved the fried rice. Everyone loved it. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoy this kind of videos, do well to let me know. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you guys in my next